Hi everyone, welcome to the GeoAR Getting Started tutorial. This is the first part and here I'm gonna show how you can download your Getting Start application and run it in Unity. So probably you are aware that project's part of this article in the International Journal of Geographic Information Science, and the link to the project folder um, is accessed through your resource pages. And in this page, in the geoinformation group from the Technical University of Vienna, um, you find here the resources for the data, and here the link to your Getting Start application. You are probably already in this page here, and in order to download the application, you go to your university repository, and here is where you can download the project. Just click on the button download here, select a folder and download. Yes, while it's downloading, so it finished the downloading. I go now to this page, to this folder, Git projects. So the next step is that you need to unit projects here. So here's the file that you just downloaded. You can unpack this folder and wait until this is unpacked. Okay, a few seconds more. Nice. Okay, now now that it's unpacked, you can open the folder, and that's the folder for the project, right? So I will change the name of this folder just because I have already another project with this name. I will add like GeoR getting started. You can choose the name you want to. But okay, the next step now is to open Unit Hub. If you don't know about Unity Hub, follow the Windows tutorial for the mixed reality toolkit, and then you're gonna learn how to have this setup. It's quite straightforward. And now here we're gonna open an existing project, and you go to the same folder that you were before. I have here my C drive, unit projects, unit projects, and then here's the folder that you unpacked, and that's the folder that you want to open. Okay, unit projects, open it. For the first time that you are opening the project using Unit Hub, it takes a bit longer and then it goes faster. So you need to wait a little bit here. And please don't forget to make sure that you have the right version of Unity for this project. That is, otherwise, if you have a different versions, you might have some incompatibilities, and you need to solve incompatibilities before you run in a different version. Let's wait a little bit. It's in the process. Don't worry, it's taking a little bit longer. Great, so you have here our application open and unit hub. You can test the execution here by using the game modes in the Unity. Just press the play button. Alright, so you have here your main menu for the application, and that's what I'm going to explain how to use this menu in the next video. Keep it up for the second part of this tutorial. Thank you very much.